In this video, I'm sharing an unboxing and review of a beautiful planner cover from Notiq. Hello, I'm Katie and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. This is the Rosé Nude Croco Vegan Agenda cover, and this one is a midi size which fits the classic Happy Planner or a 7x9 Erin Condren coil planner or other 9-disc planner. And I am also sharing the inserts package that's an optional add-on to this planner. These planner covers are absolutely beautiful and I'm so excited to share these products with you. Let's get started.
Okay, let's open up this beautiful package. It has their shipping tape has this beautiful Notiq motif on it, their logo design, and so does the tissue paper on the inside, and so does this card. Oh my gosh, so cool. Merry Christmas! I received this during Christmas holidays. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, check out this notepad that came with it. Look how chic that is. So cool. So the team at Notiq sent me a lovely card. So sweet. Now for the unboxing. Check out this beautiful wrapping with their signature logo sticker right on it. Oh, don't you hate to rip wrapping paper like this? That's so pretty. Okay, let's see. Look how beautiful this package and cover is. Let's take it out of the box and open it up. All right, let's get a close-up of this cover. It's like a soft suede cover for your planner so that it doesn't get any kind of damage to it, and you'll have a protector for it if you want to keep it in this nice cover. How cool is that? Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Look how gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this originally when I saw Notiq products online, I just assumed that they were real leather because they looked so high-end and expensive. It looks like real crocodile. But it is all vegan products. Let's open it up. So it has such a luxurious feel and it has matching stitching. It's a gorgeous, like pinky, peach, nude, perfectly neutral color that's going to go with everything. Oh my gosh. This insert has a whole disc bound planner that matches it. This is awesome. I'm just going to take off this cover and put that aside so we can focus on what's on the inside of this cover. Okay, so this left side has 1, 2, 3 small pockets that will fit note cards. I bet this notepad will fit there too. Yes, so it's about this size of this notepad, the width, and you know, perfect for cards like this with plenty of extra space. Let's see what this says. This says, your Notiq goods are thoughtfully designed, constructed and handmade with luxe materials of fine quality. So nice. Okay. So 3 of these small pockets, 1 slide-in pocket here and 1 slide-in pocket here and 1 slide-in pocket here. So tons of pockets to add, and oh my gosh, let's check out this planner. I'm gonna go ahead and slip it out. So again, on this side, it has that back pocket so that you can slide your planner. You just slide the back cover into it. And then 2 additional ones. So depending which size planner you're using this cover for, you have some choices and some options for size adjustments. It also has slots for credit cards. Let's just see how the size fits. So it's about the size of a business card or credit card. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slots for cards on this side. So lots of choices of ways to use this planner cover. I'm going to take out the planner and flip through the inserts a little bit. So when you purchase one of these beautiful planner covers, you have the option of purchasing the additional inserts that match with it. And this is the disc bound inserts. And what I was so excited about seeing is that these are colored paper. They're like a lighter shade of the color of your cover. I will show you up close and a little contrast with some white paper. See the color difference? The paper is a beautiful shaded peachy pink. Okay, let's see what comes in the inserts. So our first page is the year at a glance for 2022 and a space for some notes. 2023 on the back. You become what you plan well, VJ. VJ is the founder of the company. So a quote from her, and our January calendar page with some space for notes and checklists. A monthly planning page for January. And it looks like these are the monthly pages. So a calendar and a planning page for each month. Let's see what's behind that. I love the color of these pages. They're so pretty. All right, there's our December. Let's see what's in the back. So the front is monthly planning pages, and I know they have some options as to which kind of inserts you want to purchase. And this is notes in the back. So monthly planning pages and notes in that beautiful shade of rosé. The front cover is clear. Let me show you that. It has the little Notiq embossed name on the front. Let's see on the back. Clear, opaque clear cover front and back. So for any of your tasks that you only need your monthly calendar page, perhaps things like bill pay, or if you're tracking one activity, or maybe something that you need to take a lot of notes for and you want to track what you're notating, that is a great combination for the planner inserts. Okay, let's slide this back in and see how much extra space there is available on the inside. It also comes with a pen loop right here. Let's grab a pen just so you can see how the pen loop is sized. Just like that. So that you always have a pen. And let's see how much space. So there's plenty of extra space on the inside. All of the details of the sizes and measurements and which planners will fit in this cover. Roomy, loaded, and snug fit. All of those details are available straight from Notiq. So I will send you over there to get all of those details. I did want to share that the note inserts, so these would be like your daily note inserts. It comes with 60 pages of those if you get the agenda plus the inserts package. So it comes with the 60 daily notes, the monthly pages, and the 2022-23 year at a glance. The disc sizes are 32 millimeters and they're in rose gold to match the cover. And of course the clear frost front and back covers and the dust cover for your planner cover. This planner cover design also comes in 4 additional sizes, and I just saw on the description page there is a matching pencil case and is large enough to fit the Tombow dual brush pens. The pen case will fit this size of pen. That's exciting, so that tall. I wanted to show a little comparison so you could see the size of planner that will fit in this beautiful cover. Here is a classic size Happy Planner. You can see it's the same size and fits perfectly. And then also my I Can and I Will Wrong Planner is also that same classic size and also fits perfectly in this cover. I wanted to add a quick pen test also in case anyone wants to know about this paper. I'm going to test it with my Papermate Flare medium tip marker and my Papermate Inkjoy gel. The paper is absolutely gorgeous. I love the color and the texture. It's like a nice textured paper. All right, let's do Papermate. I feel like I need to write fancy to write in this. Papermate Flare and Papermate Inkjoy gel. And this one's a 0.7. Let's put that in there. And what, this is medium. Let's put M. Okay. So that's how it looks on the page. Let's just flip it over and see what the back looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. So you can kind of see the writing through it, but look, when it's, you know, if there's something behind it, you can't see through it at all. It's not bleeding through the page, but it is kind of opaque paper. It's not completely like cardstock, so it's not too heavy that way either. All right, hopefully that gives you a good idea as to which type of pens or markers you might want to use on this paper.
There will be an affiliate link for you along with some details about this planner and cover in the description box. If you click on over to Notiq, let's check out their website and learn a little bit more about this planner cover and about the company.
Here are the pictures, all of the details that are included. This is a list of everything that comes with the insert package if you choose to add that on. Here are the 5 different sizes available, all of the dimensions, how it fits with your planner, all about the materials, interior, construction and color, care, and handling. When you head on over there, you'll see an introduction in the corner, a little video from VJ, the founder of the company, and she'll tell you a little bit more about Notiq. And I also wanted to read their mission. Notiq is personal organization for the elegant and ambitious. From high quality, sustainable materials to minimal clean lines, each Notiq product is a work of art, thoughtfully designed to inspire you to live an elegant, organized, and productive life. Our fashion-forward line aims to represent who you are and how you wish to be seen. A portion of Notiq's revenue supports their global mission to advance the creative enterprise of women and empower the livelihood of overlooked individuals in developing countries. Thank you for supporting our mission. So I wanted to share that with you, and then as you keep scrolling through the website, you'll see so many beautiful, sophisticated planner cover designs to check out.
This planner cover retails for $159 for the cover only in this size and $195 for the complete package with the planner and inserts. Leave a comment and tell me your thoughts on this beautiful Notiq planner cover. Thank you so much, Notiq, for sending over this beautiful planner cover and inserts package for us to review. I can't wait to use it. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Check out the description box for all the details about Notiq products, as well as some additional resources. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!